Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to sign up to your YouTube using ProtonMail. So guys, if you want to sign up in YouTube using the ProtonMail, so guys, first of all, you open ProtonMail, then hit enter. Secure mail that protect your privacy. Okay, first you need to create your account here. We just create a second. Then guys, go for create a free account. Guys, here this is the subscription base. So we are getting on the free subscription. Get Proton free. Continue with Proton free. After that, it's loading your account. So guys, here you create your account. Okay. So like, and here you enter your password. Okay. So choose my own. Hide password. Then guys, here you enter your password. Then guys, again confirm your password. Then start using Proton. Okay, so it asks you to get a so you just click on the option of no thanks, and guys, complete this captcha. Then guys, go move and next. After verifying, it will take few seconds to complete the verification. Then save, then close. It start creating your account. Save password, no thanks. Okay, then guys, here if you want to download any PDFs, you just go where you can recover. This is your display name, then continue. After that guys, until it completes, so you just open your YouTube. Then let's start. Later, then next use this. Now guys, here you go, copy your proton mail, copy address. Okay, address mail copied. Now go to YouTube, go here, then guys go to the option of switch account, then guys add account, then guys go for sign up, create an account for my personal use. After that, enter your first name. Okay. Then next, also add your surname. Then here you enter your date of birth. Then year. Then select gender. Then next. After that, here you paste your proton mail like this. So this is the way that guys you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.